Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Windows version and opening Device Manager so you can update the graphics driver immediately. Once done, save any work and, if you want extra safety, create a restore point from System Properties. Now press Win+X and choose Device Manager. This puts you at the hardware list where graphics adapters are visible. You need to identify your GPU under Display Adapters. Make sure to expand that node so you can see the exact adapter name before proceeding to the update action. You should now attempt an automatic update. Right-click your GPU entry, choose Update Driver, and pick Search automatically for drivers so Windows checks Microsoft's catalog. If Windows doesn't find a newer driver, go to the GPU vendor site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download the exact driver for your model and OS build. Once the vendor installer runs, choose the Clean Install or Custom option when offered. This removes older files and avoids conflicts. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts and do not interrupt the installer. After installation, restart your PC so the new driver fully initializes. This resolves most post-install issues. Once rebooted, return to Device Manager, view the GPU properties, and confirm the driver version and date to verify the update succeeded. If you see instability or worse, use the Driver tab to roll back to the previous driver. A key troubleshooting tip: if you hit a black screen, boot into safe mode and either reinstall the driver or perform a system restore. That typically gets you back to a working state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.